I don't work with Floyd anyway. Parliament or soccer match or anything. I don't work with Floyd. And if you know into a Floyd, so I'm not getting involved. I have kwini. So it's not our problem. We are in Parliament. We are working in Parliament, and that's it. If he comes to Parliament, he will find us rolling. The Parliament now is run by young boys. Young people are running that thing. And if he comes then thinks he can impose himself on them, they are already ready for him. So you can be rest assured he will not do anything that can undermine the superior logic of the EFF in that Parliament.
Kuruleni.
I didn't see the letter. Oh, maybe so. You must. I didn't see the letter.
It just came out now.
When we're here.
President, when we're here.
Okay.
Literally at 12 o'clock.
Yeah.
But it's a request by council to afford an opportunity to run a process to appoint a new city manager on the basis that. So the request for her to take a special leave is on the basis that her contract comes to an end in August.
Oh.
Yeah. And that's genuinely what the request is. So it's a request to ask of her. And also on the panel, we've been on the panel before as the EFF. The current city manager was appointed. The EFF was a part of it. We're an integral part of the council city with a serious voice there. So it was expected as well that we form part of it. And the mayor is the chairperson of the particular committee.
Ordinarily, when you take leave or when you are about to leave a position, it should come from you voluntarily that I will take a long leave so that I'm not seen to be on the way of what people are trying to do. It's not something we're hearing it for the first time. I mean, former Chief Justice Mogoeng took a long leave when his term was coming to an end. And there was nothing wrong with that. But the CM of Ekurhuleni has been a very good woman. She led from the front. Most of those clean audits and delivery and the awards that are being won by Ekurhuleni, it was under her leadership. I think we're going to miss her, and I hope she will not keep too much distance, but rather keep close contact and continue to advise, because she comes with a lot of wisdom and experience. She's a mother. We all call her mama because she has earned it. When you work with people in a dignified way, in a polite way, giving us direction. I mean, when we went to Ekurhuleni municipality, she held our hand and showed us the way and how things are done. Unfortunately, age is no longer on her side. She will have to now go on retirement. And we wish her well. We wish her good health. And we hope she will continue to make a positive contribution wherever she's going.